Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2 question number 6 part D. Evaluate whether it is possible for G Round Wheels Limited to decrease the variable costs in the next year. So in the earlier part we had to calculate what is the variable cost in order to maintain the same contribution cost to sales ratio for the next year, because the customer was ready to pay only a smaller buy at a smaller selling price, and but they are buying the same amount of quantity. So they had, the business G Round Wheels had to reduce their variable cost in order to maintain the same contribution to sales ratio. So in the, we have to identify what were the variable cost. Okay, we had identified material cost, labor cost, delivery cost, power cost, and semi variable overhead costs were the variable cost. So you can say that first you will say possible to decrease the various variable costs. For example, if you are to talk about the material cost, you should use a skilled negotiator to buy raw materials at a cheaper price in the market, so you can negotiate and get material cost to go down. Or you can also use labor cost, okay, to be paid less if you are going to pay less. Okay, if at all an unemployment exists, or you have to find on the jobs are scarce, or you find alternative laborers who are ready to work for lower cost. You also can reduce the delivery cost if you are going to find an alternative delivery company. You can say I will reduce my power cost if I am able to find an alternative power supplier at a lower cost. Semi variable cost, you can give an example such as like a telephone payments. So if you are able to switch to an alternate telephone company, then you will be able to get a lower telephone cost, which is a semi variable overhead cost, which was contributing to this variable cost. But however, you should also say it is not possible to decrease the variable cost, because if you don't have a skilled negotiator and you don't have a lot of suppliers in the market, okay, then you can't get the raw materials at a lower price. Also, you can't decrease labor cost because their trade unions will be in position, because if there is unemployment also and the labor cost is scarce, okay, there may be chances of strike, okay, and trade unions, okay, chances of strike and trade unions, okay, because of trade unions exist. So you can't say I'm going to pay less, or just can't easily replace a skilled employee. Then you might also not be able to find another delivery company, you might not be able to find an alternative power supplier. So for example, there may be a monopoly of a telephone company, okay, you can just quote it as monopoly of a telephone company. So that means then you have only single telephone supplier in the entire market, so you can't change the telephone supplier also. So in conclusion, you can say it may or may not be possible to decrease the variable cost of G Round Wheels Limited, because it's going to depend on the skilled negotiator who is going to find alternative, okay, alternative materials at low prices, who is able to find alternative, okay, alternative suppliers, okay, suppliers for low prices, and who has a good understanding of the market and has a